What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. Right now we are here at the gas station. Just finished pumping corn, aka E85. We also got some energy drinks because we are on our way to base community. I'll slap the flyer on right now on the screen. It changed? How about now? Is that good? Let me put it in neutral. All right, today we're gonna go to base. Like I said, I already threw the flyer on. There's supposed to be a drive, so right now from 9 to 10, it's gonna be like a little car meet. And then after 10, we're gonna go on a drive to LA. I'm gonna record the whole thing. Hopefully get some freaking flybys, some polls, something, cause every time I go to a car meet and I try to record cars on the freeway, there's no one. I'm recording like regular traffic, and I'm not trying to be a dick, but there's just never good cars. But yeah, let's head there right now. The lighting behind it is not killing it? All right, you guys, we just pulled up to the car meet. Park and chill. No freaking slideshow, none of that crap. I don't know how people could still go to that, especially after what happened to that one girl. That's all bad.
Oh, I know. That shit, like, literally, literally cut her, like,
yeah. Oof. But yeah, we're here, about to go walk around. It looks like there's a good amount of people here already, and it's, what, 9:14. Meet started 14 minutes ago. Let's go see what kind of cars are here. See if the homies are here, too. Nice little Mark IV soup. Yeah, that purple's so clean. That thing just shits all over my car. For a 90s car, it still does not look bad at all. Damn. On some TEs. Look at that. Damn. Guys, I'm really sorry about the lighting here, but check out the red on this M2. This thing is so nice. I'm still on my M2 hunt. It's on BBS's too. That shit's so clean. A freaking MC20 here. What the helly? Freaking lighting, bro. It's so dark over here. I'm so sorry, guys. We got a MC20 here, and then we have a orange Lamborghini Temerario here. What are the odds of there being a Temerario on a drive today? This orange is nice. It reminds me of like the orange on Strad's Lambo. If you guys know, if you know, you know. Guys, back at this Temerario, they for sure have an aftermarket exhaust on this thing with the heat shielding around it. Look at that.
Like heat resistant.
Yeah, it's supposed to help it. Hopefully it doesn't burn the top side, you know? But next, behind the Temerario, we have Finding Nick's R8 here. Look at that carbon. Alright, so next to Nick's R8, we have another R8 over there. Wow, speak of the devil, right there. Yeah, we have Nick's R8, another R8 over there, and then we have, I forgot his name. But we have a 600 LT over there, 570 right here, and a GTR right here. Oh, look, we just pulled up a Urus. Look at this Urus. That's like someone, I don't know.
Are these like
Hex.
Why are these so big?
I don't know. Ooh, a nice red eye back here. I like how they have the logo glowing. Yo, this just sounds clean. That shit sounds nice. Damn, that shit sounds clean. He revved it. I don't know if the video caught that, but he revved it. GTR. Shit. GTR is clean as hell. This thing is clean as fuck too. CO6, bro. I want to see. Oh, he's spitting flames. Oh. There you go. Bro, he's spitting flames. Oh, we have another R8 here with the plate. Yeah, that's crazy. More bikes. Bro, I'm very excited for this drive. There's a good amount of good cars here. I'm looking forward to it. Sir, you have something sticking out of your hood. Sir. And sir, that does not sound like a BMW. Sir. 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 That does not sound like a BMW. Sir. I just know that shit's fast as fuck. Ooh, another McLaren here. That shit sounds clean. You guys hear that? Ooh. You hear the turbos. All right, we came to the street. This guy almost just hit a truck. It's very chaotic over here. Check out this thing. Oh my god. What the extended carbon trunk? 52 PSI from Arizona. Oh, I'm too. Merrill, chopping. Why does it? Does he have one? Oh shit.
Oh, my camera is so dirty.
My content homie. Look at this fool. What do you?
Rev that shit, right?
No rev for the vlog? Damn. Blue balled me. He was revving it all the way over there.
That's a dripping.
Ooh. ZR1? That shit's clean as hell.
Just not the apexes, that's hard.
Whoa. Look at that. We have one vet right here. Then we have the ZR1. And then we have the homie 6.2. And then we have mine back there. Oh, this shit's clean as hell, bro. I want a ZR1 so bad. Look at this dude. Alright, they announced the driver meeting. It looks like we have a few supercars heading out already. I really want to see that Tamario in action, so we're gonna walk to the car and see what's up. That shit's for sure fast as fuck. Guys, that's something you don't see every day in a drive-thru. Look at that, R33 in the drive-thru. I'm so glad we caught up to some cars because I was starting to worry. We literally caught them the last 4 miles, I think, on the freeway. 4 or 5-ish miles. But yeah, we're here at the meetup spot. We're gonna get off right now and see what cars pulled up here. I'm convinced the Tamario didn't come, but let's see. All right, we pulled up to a Canes. We got a freaking TRX right here. Ooh, jeez. Ooh, Grand Sport. That shit's nice. It looks lowered. Damn. But yeah, waiting for everyone else. Depending on how it goes from here, I might go to another meet. Maybe. I'm like 80% sure I might go to another meet, but yeah. We'll see. That Z06, I was also looking for on the freeway. Look at that. Literally my spec C7 though. Oh, it's a C6.
C6? Yeah.
Bamboozled me. It has a C7 front end though. C7 carbon front and back. Damn. That shit looks clean. Ooh. We got a nice little GTR right there. What else? Oh, another C8. Another C6. That shit's clean. Oh, a freaking Drew Peacock. Sheesh. I love those wheels. They're shiny as hell. Looks like we have a McLaren first supercar to arrive here. Yeah, bro, these wheels are something else. They are shiny as hell. I like them. Wow. Yo, is it really a demon though? That shit looks crazy. Trackhawk Casper. Bro even got the Brembo. Ew. This shit looks nuts. And we still got Drew. Can't find parking. Oh, almost got smacked by Altima. All right, you guys, we are heading out of this meet and we're gonna go to another one. Again, same thing, no freaking slideshows. I don't condone any of that. So we're gonna go meet up with the other homies that I was with earlier. They actually ended up going there instead of coming here where we're at right now. So yeah, I'll pick up the video as soon as we get to that meet. All right, we pulled up to the second car meet. We got my content homie over here. Look at him.
Mondays? Where's Bibble at? We gotta park Bibble right
Oh, hell no. We got the new Chargers Challenger, whatever the fuck is. Well, look who else showed up over here. Oh, all the green lights look sick. G8 in the back. Ambient lighting. That's clean. Trackhawk Casper.
Subscribe to Ozzyllusionz ASAP.
This is so cool. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I did not record anything at that meetup spot because the lighting was awful. Yeah, we're going to another location, another meetup spot. Right now, we went through one, which was that infamous tunnel I just showed you guys. I'm not gonna say where I'm at, but it's an infamous tunnel. But yeah, I tried to buy a freaking light so I could record at night better, and there was nothing other than this like really like big. Yeah, it looked like an iPad, and I was not about to walk around with like an iPad. Damn, I forgot. But yeah, I was not about to walk around with an iPad as a light, so I'm gonna just wait and order one off Amazon or something. I don't know. But I'll pick up the video as soon as we get to the first spot. That shit clouded. My God. That shit's ridiculous. All right, you guys, we arrived to the next location after that tunnel. We're supposed to be over there, but it is way too damn packed. We got off the freeway over there. Dude, that thing goes up a mile. Oh my God, there's so many people. Man, this is clean. Ah! The underglow? I need underglow, but proper underglow. If you have the type of underglow and you could see the freaking wiring and all that, stop it. All right, we are now just watching cars exit because the next location is out of. Whoa. Dude, that bug is crazy. That shit's turboed, bro. Oh shit! What the fuck? Look at that shit. Bro, that's a freaking Beetle. I don't know if you guys can see the flames from here. Holy. No,
I'm
mom.
doing that shit to the vet.
Bro, that Beamer just swung the fuck out of it. And there's a cop right here.
Do it again.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Oh, he looked at him. Oh, shit. McLaren's swinging it. What the fuck? McLaren and R8 acting up over there. What?
720.
Look at that shit. Woo. It is her. It is her. All right, you guys, we left the drive, whatever. Then we're gonna go through. So we went to TJ and then we came back to SoCal. They went to Hollywood Boulevard. That's so burnt. So we came home, and the rest of the other homies, we all went home because we're tired. It's 2 in the morning, bro. What am I doing? It's 2 in the morning. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos lately. They're gonna get better, trust. With freaking Monterey coming up soon. With Carvey coming up soon. I got some good videos cooking up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and comment. And subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.